Today is November the 7th, 2023, and I've had several people ask me about the construction progress on the Publix up in Wetumpka, Alabama. It's located on Highway 231 and Fort Toulouse Road. And there you have it. Thought I'd do an aerial view. You know, you drive by and you really can't tell what's going on, but there's a lot of activity there. Working on it today. Beautiful day. Anyway, there's with the Walmart in the upper left center, and then Lowe's is in the upper right. And of course the post office is right next to it, just above the building there. Going to be a huge addition to the community. I know everybody's been asking for it. This is the adjacent neighborhood. See the casino, Bald Knob Hill, the Winn-Dixie across the street. Little competition. Coming up where the police station is as well. There's the site. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.